I heard somebody a lot smarter than me say to live your life as though you're the star of your own movie. I was like, okay. Then they said, now, did you cast yourself as the hero or the victim? Because there's a lot of people out there living their life like they're the victim. Like this life is just getting over on them. They can't do anything about it. They're buried in bills and this, that, and the third. Living as a victim. But see, you're the casting director of your own movie, your own life. So cast yourself as the hero. And then this is the important part. Start living your life and making the decisions like you're the hero. Now to touch on another point, you are in fact the casting director of your own movie. Which means you can throw people the fuck